Hey there, welcome to JoggAI. With JoggAI, you can easily create AI videos featuring lifelike AI avatars. Let's dive into JoggAI together. When you enter JoggAI tool interface, the first thing you'll see is the avatar video feature, where you can quickly create your own avatar video. In the public avatar section, you'll find a variety of avatar styles to choose from. JoggAI's avatar library has over 700 plus digital characters, so you're sure to find the type you're looking for. You can also click on My Avatar to access the avatars you've previously created. Once you've selected your avatar, the next step is to make it speak the way you want. Switch to Edit Script, where you can paste your prepared script directly. You can also upload your own audio here. Not ready with a script yet? No worries, JoggAI can generate one for you. Just click AI Writer, enter the topic you have in mind, and JoggAI will instantly create a script for you. After clicking Apply, you can still adjust and fine-tune your script as needed. In the next step, we'll quickly create your talking photo using just a single picture. Simply upload a photo you like and enter the script you want your photo to say, or you can let the AI writer generate it for you automatically. If you already have a recorded audio file, you can upload it here as well. You can also choose your favorite AI voice to narrate the script, or upload your own voice to give your photo a personal touch. Before creating the talking photo, you can save the current avatar to My Avatar for future use. Finally, click Create, and your custom talking photo is ready to go. AI Video Ads is a feature that lets you generate product videos using your product URL. Simply upload the link of your product page from e-commerce platform, click Generate, and JoggAI will automatically pull the product name, images, descriptions, and other details from the web page to create a product video for you. You can also choose Add Product manually. Simply upload your video material and instantly generate an ads video with just one click. You can further customize the video by specifying your target audience and even uploading your own media files to enrich your video content. In here, you can also choose your preferred aspect ratio, video duration, and language for the video. Next, video translation. With just one click, you can translate your video into different languages. Simply upload your original video, select the language you want to translate it into, and choose whether to keep your original voice or pick a new one from JoggAI's voice library. You can also choose whether to add subtitles.
你的视频即可翻译成超过30多种的语言。
Fast and effortlessly. Let's head back to the homepage. As an avatar video generator, we've got several cool ways to create your avatars. First, text to avatar. Just type a simple prompt, fill in some basic info, and boom, your AI avatar is ready. An AI-generated avatar that's completely original, no copyright worries. Want to keep with face consistency? Upload a photo to keep the same face. Then pick your favorite style, click Generate, and choose your model. Want higher quality? You can go for the advanced model. You can even pick an emotion, and your avatar will match it. Next, photo to avatar. Upload a photo, choose your model, set the emotion, and you're done. Then, let's generate some avatar looks. One photo, endless styles. Get business, lifestyle, fitness, even cartoon versions of your avatar, all in one click. And finally, custom avatar. If you want to clone yourself, just upload your footage or record with your webcam, and you can create your own digital twin. Next, let's talk about video podcast. Creating a video podcast with an AI avatar is super easy. You can generate it using a web link, a YouTube link, a PDF file, or by directly uploading a long text. And yes, JoggAI Video Podcast Generator also supports multi-language video podcasts too. And that's not all. With topic to video, just type in your topic, and then an AI avatar video is ready for you. Got a bunch of products? Use batch creation to generate multiple videos at once by dropping in all your product links. And the next is product avatar. Let AI avatars showcase your product. Upload your product photo, choose the perfect avatar for your product, and with just one click, generate your product's avatar photo. You can either regenerate or select your favorite product avatar. Once you're happy with your choice, click Create. Then choose the model you want to use, pick the desired avatar emotion, and select the avatar's voice. Once it's done, click Generate. After generating the product avatar, Click Create Avatar Video. Add your script, and let your AI avatar create a promotional video for your product. Did this video help you understand JoggAI better? Start creating your videos with JoggAI now and join the JoggAI Masterclass.